In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Workshop not downloading mods. If you've ever subscribed to a mod on the Steam Workshop and nothing downloads, or the mod simply never appears inside your game, this can be really frustrating. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is caused by a simple Steam setting, and it only takes a minute or two to fix. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the exact settings you should check so Steam can properly download your Workshop mods again. This method works for most Steam games that support Workshop content. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's go ahead and fix the problem. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam loads, look at the top of the window and click on Library. Your library is where all of your installed Steam games are listed. Find the game where the Steam Workshop mods are not downloading. Once you locate the game, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Properties. This will open a new settings window specifically for that game. Inside the Properties window, look at the left side panel and click on Updates. In the Updates section, you'll see a setting called Always Keep This Game Up to Date. Make sure this option is selected. If this setting is disabled or set differently, Steam may delay downloading Workshop content because the game itself isn't being prioritized for updates. By setting the game to always stay up to date, Steam will automatically download both game updates and Workshop content when they become available. Next, we're going to check another setting that can sometimes stop Workshop downloads. In the top left corner of Steam, click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the main Steam settings panel. Inside the settings window, look for the download section on the left side and click it. In this area, you'll see several download-related options. The one we want to check is called Allow Downloads During Gameplay. Make sure this option is enabled. If this setting is turned off, Steam may pause or block Workshop downloads while you are playing games, which can make it seem like your mods never download. Enabling this option allows Steam to continue downloading Workshop items in the background. After enabling these settings, restart Steam to make sure everything refreshes properly. Once Steam opens again, go back to the Workshop page for your game and confirm that you are subscribed to the mods you want. Steam should now begin downloading the Workshop items automatically, and they should appear in your game the next time you launch it. And that's how to fix Steam Workshop not downloading mods. As you can see, it usually comes down to a couple of simple Steam settings. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Steam, software, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.